Normally I go over some engineering concept or like a specific feature in HVACR. This time I want to do quick and dirty. I'm going to show you a workflow to get very quick block loads for conceptual design or even an existing building in a minute. And this is something you could do right before a meeting just so you don't come empty-handed and you have some rough idea of the order of magnitude here. So let's role play a little bit. You're going into a kickoff meeting for a project you just got, but it's very early stage, or maybe you're going into a bid meeting and you're about to launch a bid process and you want some rough ideas. So before going into that meeting, you could create your project and put in the address, start with a template, and then hit create. This is an existing building, but this concept would work the same if you just had a rough outline of the building or even just some rough dimensions you can draw spaces to. I'm going to skip all of this stuff and go straight to sheets and maps. In this case, I'm going to add a map, which is going to bring up the location of my project. There it is. Now I'm going to go to spaces and let's just quickly outline this. I do know this is single story. This is going to get a space type. Office is going to be a generic enough space type to capture what I need. I'm going to auto create an envelope here, mass wall, and I'm going to assign windows. Let's do 30% glazing. That creates my envelope. Done. Here is my building, and if I go to my reports, here are my loads. I'm looking at about 12 tons. So like that, you can go into a meeting with a load report with graphs and visuals with a 3D view of the rough structure here. And even if this wasn't an existing building and you didn't have a satellite view, you could still create your spaces, dimension out areas, and if you use the rectangle tool, you can see the dimensions in the bottom right here as you draw your structure. So there you have it, quick and dirty. If I don't need detail, I don't add detail.